Go, 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 go. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Go, push it, push it, push it. Give me that bucket.
See, see. I got the pressure.
All right, guys. So as you can see, tree trunk that was growing above the sewer line. No bueno, man. Customer just bought a new home. Prior to purchasing the property, about 15-foot section of pipe was bellied, some broken areas in the clay with a lot of root intrusion. The Warhog head, we have jets going forward. Once we clear up the roots to get into a visual, we'll be able to determine if the pipe needs to be lined. We were able to clear the blockage to get our camera past. You can see the cracks, the shifts. Wow. Pipe is completely broken here. This section is gonna have to be dug up so we can correct this section. So it is a 6-inch transition. So we're gonna go all the way out, see what it looks like. More roots. More roots. Saddle connection is clear, intact. It's not broken or shifted. That's where it drops into the city. The sewer line here, the 6-inch sewer, is cracked. Look at that. Completely broken. More roots. More roots. We're gonna locate where the 4x6 transition is for the sewer line. Cannot sleeve from up here going down. The broken areas will probably compromise the sleeve and the balloon going in and tear it. It'll just be a nightmare. Our 4x6 transition is 9 feet down. We're gonna dig down, excavate that section that's broken, sleeve the pipe going out, pull a trenchless pipe burst from up there to down here. Let's get a measurement for the liner. Sorry, bro, I know you're busy. This is gonna be a bigger issue. We're gonna need to dig this up. We're gonna dig it up by hand for the first 2-3 feet.
All right, guys, so we are about 6 feet down right now. We always want to make sure we don't hit no utility lines, any gas lines. We will need hydraulic shoring here, which we have here on the side. Let me just keep going. Another 2 more feet. Hold on, let me flip around. We just excavated the 8-foot hole right now. We're gonna put the backhoe away. We have a lot of work ahead of us. We are showing the hole right now to secure it. We don't want the pipe to collapse. We do live in California. Earthquakes do happen. So it is hard soil, so it's gonna be very hard for it to fall, but anything can happen. We have the shoring in there before we even start touching the pipe.
On the edge of this polyurethane seamless pipe to the end of the cone is going to get fed through the existing clay pipe down to the 9-foot hole. It's used with a hydraulic pull. Stay tuned so you guys can see the process. As you can see, this is about to start feeding through there and start breaking the old clay in place. Pipe. instead of trenching everything out, feed the cable through, pull the pipe underground to avoid having to break up the entire driveway, removing pavers.
Once the liner's in, we're gonna shoot the balloon in there, which inflates it at 15 pounds of pressure. That way we can seal every crack, every joint. We're gonna shoot an extreme cold resin. It reacts a lot faster. Nice seal on the metal, so the gasket gets no leaks around it. So that way when we insert the balloon at 15 to 20 pounds of pressure, we're gonna shoot the liner all the way up to that manhole in the middle of the street. If your line breaks in the middle of the street, right before the city sewer, it is your responsibility. So epoxy gets all over my pants, it gets all over my shoes. There you go. It won't react. What it's gonna do is it's gonna activate. We are rolling the liner. We are getting a perfect 4.5 millimeter, making sure all the epoxy is on the resin. He's holding pressure so it absorbs all the epoxy on the liner material. Go, 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 go. Hey, we're 9 minutes. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Go, go, push it, push it, push it. There, go ahead. Give me that bucket. See. I got the pressure. No con mucha presión. Ready? This is Tone. Fall. Look at disconnect. Adentro, mételo. Put it more in, Josh. Put it more in. Actually, here. Put the balloons in, the liner's in, everything came out beautiful. A little hectic sometimes, guys, because we got to make sure everything's perfect. So the liner goes in and it goes in wrong, or it doesn't invert properly. Guess what? Now the liner's gonna get stuck here in the middle of the street. Now we got to dig it up. Now you can see right here, it is starting to smoke. So when the liner starts reacting, look at the epoxy. It went from liquid to solid in a matter of 15 minutes. That's exactly what it's doing in the sewer line right now. Sealing all the cracks and all the offsets in the pipe. No roots will ever go into that pipe again.
All right, guys, the liner's already shot. It's just massive tree trunk growing right under the pipe, and we checked the grade. It was completely flat, so that doesn't work out for us. We need to make sure we do it right. As you can see, this is no joke, just a 1/4 inch. So now we're just gonna start laying pipe, grade it, throw some gravel and connect there and start backfilling. After 3 hours of curing, run the camera. Beautiful. The saddle connection, our sleeve made it right to the end. It sealed the final joint. So we're good. Let's pull it back. You see this edge right here, this little lip? This was an offset in the clay. It was shifting. The sleeve is in. This line is gonna be good. Customer's not gonna have any more issues. We use this as a guide. It's a 6-inch ABS pipe. So we use it as a guide before we shoot the sleeve in, just so we can test once it's fully cured. As you can see, the inside of the pipe, the way it's sealed here is the way it's sealed all the way out to the city. Beautiful.
All right, guys, this is the last step. We're gonna go ahead and connect the 4x6 connection right now. We torqued at 60 pounds of pressure. That way no roots ever grow in there again. So the pipe all the way in the back right there, that's a polyethylene 4-inch pipe, seamless pipe. No connections all the way up to the top of the hill. We're gonna go ahead and backfill the first 2 feet, compact it, and then compact every foot after that. So make sure every inch of the soil gets fully compacted. This customer, I guarantee, will never, ever back up again. If they do, they give us a call at any time of the day. We are 24 hours, 7 days a week. And even if it surpasses your warranty, we're here to help you out. As the owner of Clean Out Plumbing, I strive for customer service to make sure our customers are 100% satisfied. and every one of our technicians are providing A1 service. I remove that hydraulic shoring. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out with the backhoe. All right guys, so that does it for today. We were able to backfill the hole. We compacted every square foot of that dirt all the way down compaction. We got everything cleaned up.
120 feet of sewer has been replaced. As you can see, looks like nothing even happened. We're all wrapped up here.